For the marinade, you want to put a 1/4 cup of butter melted, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and then swish it all together. Crush up some garlic, throw it in there, along with half of a lemon. Whisk it all. Ta-da! For the lobster. I actually really hate this part. Anybody that likes doing this or cutting up or prepping any kind of meat or seafood is a psychopath. So take the kitchen scissors and cut off these thingies. See these thingies? Once you're done cutting off the thingies, cut the lobster tail, the shell, just like this, using kitchen scissors or shears if you're really fancy. You can also use a knife, but the chances of you cutting your fingers off with a knife are a lot higher, so that's why I use the scissors. Then you take your marinade, you put it all over your lobster, just like this, while it lays out on a baking dish. Don't forget to brush it on everywhere, meaning that you probably have to lift up some of that meat and put it right underneath. While this is baking in the oven, what you want to do is make a side dish. So throw in some pasta, boil it, have some onions, garlic, and mushrooms. Saute it all to perfection. So what most normal people would do right now is use heavy cream. I don't have heavy cream. Do you have heavy cream? I have cream cheese. Pasta, the cream cheese totally worked out. Just add in a little bit of wine, stir it all together, put in some fresh thyme. Mwah! Beautiful! Now once you're plating it, to make it look fancy schmancy, put more marinade on top of the lobster. Cover it in some truffle oil, because you're a fancy bougie bitch. And there you go. Voila! And as always, we have Sedona here doing the dishes.
Delicious. Oh God.
You can literally swallow this whole thing whole. So good.
She can swallow the whole thing whole. I don't make anyone say that they like my food.
I think I just came a little.
That's another wrap on Menu by Mila. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Bye!